Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assessing and preparing your hands. This ensures safety and measurable progress. Measure palm width and thickness, and note your dominant hand so you can track changes. If there is swelling, apply a cold compress for 10-15 minutes, then dry thoroughly. Remove rings and trim nails to avoid interference with exercises and massage. Once done, warm your hands with brief rubbing to increase circulation. This primes tissues for the first targeted slimming steps. You now move into targeted exercises that reshape and tone the palm by reducing localized fat and improving muscle definition. Start with a 10-12-minute routine. Gentle palm stretches, finger squeezes, and thumb walks to mobilize tissue. Then add resistance with a band or light grip, 1-2 kilograms, to build deeper muscles. Perform 3 sets with 30-60-second rests between, and make sure to progress loads slowly. These actions change tissue composition and posture, which is why consistency matters more than intensity. You finish the process by combining recovery and maintenance steps that lock in results. After exercises, do a lymphatic-style massage toward the wrist, then perform a 5-minute cooling stretch to prevent tightness. Make sure to stay hydrated and follow a balanced diet. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions weekly to sustain progress. If progress stalls or swelling persists, reduce intensity and frequency, and consult a clinician. These adjustments prevent injury and clarify whether underlying issues require professional care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.